Hello and welcome to Wellness with Arsh. If you have ever felt tired, bloated, or concerned about your kidney health, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to explore 3 powerful and natural spices that can help your body flush out toxins and support your kidneys to function better. These are simple ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen, but their effects on your overall health are absolutely amazing. You are going to learn why these spices are so important, how they work inside your body, and how you can start using them every single day to help your kidneys stay strong and healthy. There are no complicated methods or expensive products involved. Everything is completely natural, simple, and safe for most people. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only. The information shared here should not replace professional medical advice. If you have kidney disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, or if you are taking any medication, please speak to your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or lifestyle. Now let us begin by understanding why kidney health and detoxification are so important. Your kidneys are like your body's natural filter system. They work every second of the day to remove waste, toxins, and excess fluids from your blood. They also help to balance minerals such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, and they play a major role in controlling your blood pressure. When your kidneys are not working properly, harmful waste can start to build up inside your body. This can lead to tiredness, puffiness, fluid retention, and other health issues. The word detox often sounds dramatic or even confusing, but in simple terms, detoxification means helping your body perform its natural cleansing process more efficiently. It is not about extreme diets or starvation plans. It is about making better lifestyle choices such as staying hydrated, eating natural and wholesome foods, avoiding excess salt, and using certain herbs and spices that naturally support the kidneys. Now, not every so-called detox method you find online is supported by scientific research. Many quick detox claims are exaggerated and sometimes even unsafe. However, there are some natural ingredients that have been scientifically shown to help your kidneys and your overall detox system work more efficiently. And that is exactly what we will discuss today. The first spice that can support your kidneys and help flush out toxins naturally is turmeric. Turmeric is often called golden spice, and it is one of the most studied natural ingredients in the world. The bright yellow color of turmeric comes from a compound called curcumin, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is one of the biggest causes of kidney stress and damage, and curcumin helps to calm that inflammation. Turmeric also helps neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals can cause damage to your kidney cells over time, and turmeric helps prevent that damage by supporting your body's natural defense system. You can easily add turmeric to your daily routine. In the morning, take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it with warm water or warm milk. You can also add a pinch of black pepper because it helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. If you do not like the taste of turmeric drinks, simply add it to your food. It blends very well with soups, lentils, curries, rice, and even scrambled eggs. However, remember that turmeric is strong, so you do not need large amounts. If you are taking any medication, especially blood thinners or diabetes medicines, it is always best to consult your doctor before using turmeric supplements or taking it in large quantities. The second spice that can help flush out toxins and heal your kidneys naturally is ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine systems to improve digestion, reduce nausea, and support blood circulation. But what many people do not know is that ginger also helps the kidneys by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. When your circulation is better, your kidneys can filter waste more efficiently. Ginger also acts as a mild diuretic, which means it helps your body get rid of excess fluids. This can be very helpful for people who often feel bloated or retain water. By supporting this gentle flushing process, ginger helps reduce the load on your kidneys and allows them to function more freely. You can use ginger in many ways. One of the simplest methods is to make fresh ginger tea. Take a 1-inch piece of ginger, peel it, slice it, and boil it in a cup of water for about 5 minutes. Let it cool slightly and then drink it. You can also add a little bit of honey or lemon for taste. If you prefer, you can also add freshly grated ginger to your daily meals such as stir-fried vegetables, soups, smoothies, or even salad dressings. Ginger adds a pleasant flavor and helps make your meals both healthy and delicious. However, just like turmeric, moderation is key. If you have gallstones, a sensitive stomach, or if you are taking blood pressure or heart medications, Please consult your doctor before using large amounts of ginger or taking ginger supplements. Now let us move to the third spice that helps to detoxify your body and heal your kidneys naturally: cumin. Cumin is one of the most common spices used in cooking, but it is also one of the most beneficial for kidney health. It is rich in antioxidants, helps reduce bloating, supports digestion, and improves nutrient absorption. When your digestion works well, your body produces fewer toxins, and that means your kidneys have less work to do. Cumin also helps you flavor your meals naturally, which allows you to reduce the amount of salt you use. Reducing salt is one of the most important steps for protecting your kidneys. A high-sodium diet puts extra stress on the kidneys and can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention. By using cumin and other natural spices, you can make your food tasty while still being kidney-friendly. You can use cumin powder while cooking beans, lentils, or vegetables. Add half a teaspoon while sautéing onions or vegetables for extra flavor. You can also sprinkle a pinch of roasted cumin powder on salads or soups. Another great way to use cumin is to prepare a simple detox drink. Add a pinch of ground cumin and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to a glass of warm water. Drink this mixture in the morning. It is refreshing and can help kickstart your digestion for the day. For most people, using cumin in food is completely safe, but if you have extremely sensitive digestion or take medication that affects your liver, always start with a small amount and increase slowly. Now that you know about these three powerful spices, turmeric, ginger, and cumin, let us see how you can include them easily in your daily life. In the morning, start your day with a warm turmeric drink or ginger tea. This will help boost your metabolism and start your detox process naturally. During lunchtime, use cumin in your meals instead of extra salt. This helps protect your kidneys from unnecessary strain. In the evening, add a little turmeric or ginger to your soup or vegetable dishes. These spices not only make your food taste great, but also help your body repair and cleanse itself overnight. To support your kidneys even further, remember these important lifestyle tips. Stay well hydrated throughout the day because water is essential for your kidneys to flush out waste. Avoid processed and salty foods because they make your kidneys work harder. Eat more fruits and vegetables that are rich in water and fiber, such as cucumbers, melons, and leafy greens. Be physically active, even if it is just a gentle walk for 20 minutes daily. Exercise improves blood circulation and helps maintain healthy kidney function. Try to get enough sleep and manage stress, because both poor sleep and stress can raise blood pressure and indirectly affect kidney health. If you already have kidney disease or take prescription medications, make sure to discuss any new herbs, spices, or supplements with your healthcare provider. Remember, these natural ingredients are meant to support your kidneys, not replace medical treatment. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, please click the like button and subscribe to Wellness with Arsh for more natural and science-backed health tips. Make sure to tap the bell icon so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. I would love to hear from you, so please share in the comments which of these three spices you already use in your kitchen or which one you are planning to try first. Also, please share this video with your friends and family so they can learn how to support their kidneys naturally too. Remember, your kidneys are your body's natural cleaners. By adding these three spices, turmeric, ginger, and cumin, into your daily life, along with healthy habits, you can give your kidneys the care they truly deserve. Take care of your body, eat naturally, stay hydrated, and keep shining with health. See you in the next video.